Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2002 to 2005 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Raise the truck and support it with jack stands. Remove the rear wheel, support the leaf spring with the jack, unbolt the leaf spring from the rear forward mount, and lower the jack. Clear any brake lines or fuel lines from the work area. Step 3. Locate the front leaf spring mount on the frame. If the frame rail integrity is acceptable, cut off the factory leaf spring mount by cutting the welds holding it to the frame rail. Avoid cutting into the frame rail. Grind the work area to bare metal and spray it with rust inhibitor. Step 4. If the frame rail needs repair, remove the factory leaf spring mount and install the frame repair kit before continuing. Step 5. Hold the replacement front leaf spring mount against the frame rail using the factory silhouette or your repair kit markings for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the front leaf spring mount in place, then fully weld all edges. Step 6. Apply a rust-inhibiting top coat to the mount and work area. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall the leaf spring using the included M14 hex bolt and M14 nut. The M14 bolt requires an 18mm socket and the M14 nut requires a 21mm wrench. Finally, reinstall any removed brake lines or fuel lines. Reinstall the rear wheel and lower the vehicle.